Alright, so I'm going to do a couple tests, and because I am going to have to fix this, the sleeves on the inside, they're actually sucked inward. Now, let me fix this. Okay, so right here on the inside, it's actually sucked inward up at the top, so it doesn't fit. I have to get a heat gun or something and heat it enough to be able to bring it out and then get it to stay. So that's going to be interesting because it's very well bent at the corner, so it might be a little bit of a defect. Anyways, I'm going to modify it to be quieter. If you can tell by the silicone right there, and I figured I might as well do that. Alright, I'm going to quiet down so this thing can get back organized. Difference. Let's redo that test. This is really pretty much doing the same thing with Vitamix, or Quiet One does. Except it's all wrapped all the way around. Alrighty. So, it definitely drops it a few dBs just by the one spot. So that's cool. Decibels. dB stands for decibels. So, I think we could definitely make a quieter Vitamix or modification, so it'll be fun. Anyway, this thing's seems overly sensitive. I'm holding it in my hands, it starts doing stuff, but if I left it down on here for the vibration, it would have caused issues. So alright, I guess that's good. Alright, well, you guys have a great day and God bless. Bye.